name's Jessica Sage and I work within the Food Safety and Quality Consultancy team here at RSSL. And to mark the occasion of Veganuary, we thought we'd make a little video to talk to you a little bit about questions that we often get from manufacturers and retailers who are selling vegan products, and also talk a bit more about the regulatory side of things and things that manufacturers need to consider if they are going to make vegan products. Get asked by manufacturers and retailers is what are the legal requirements for anyone making or selling vegan products, and the simple answer to that is at the moment there is no legal definition for what the term vegan means. There's lots of different guidance available to help you understand what ingredients, what materials can be considered vegan and which can't. However, there currently is no specific definition. So really it's down to that manufacturer, that retailer, to decide for themselves what vegan means to them. Manufacturing perspective, one of the first things that they'll need to consider is, like I said, they need to work out what the term vegan actually means to them. So are they going to treat it like a free-from claim, in which case there will be complete absence of any animal-derived materials in the product that they're making? Or is it that they're going to allow trace levels of carryover, potentially of animal-derived materials? So we know that the Vegan Society allows or doesn't disagree with the use of may contain labelling for milk and egg in products that carry their vegan logo. So they have no issues with the use of may contain labelling because it's seen as warning consumers of a potential food safety risk. So those consumers that might be allergic to milk or egg, they are being warned that there might be potential carryover. Other things that they really need to think about is clearly their supply chain. So any supplied materials coming in, can they be bought against a vegan specification? Can that supplier guarantee the vegan status of whatever it is they're buying in? And what audits and things like that are done of the suppliers to make sure that their claims are being substantiated or can be substantiated. Then other things around obviously manufacturing controls. So clearly if there's any shared equipment, that needs to be considered in terms of cross-contamination risks. The biggest risk to the consumer is potential misuse of ingredients. So actually what controls are there on site to make sure that the right ingredients are going into the product to start with, so that it is what it's supposed to be. Clearly as well, cross-packing, so any issues around potential of the wrong product going into the wrong packaging, what controls are there in place to make sure that that risk is minimised. Clearly this is quite a challenging area. There's lots of things to consider, and there's lots of ways that RSSL can support manufacturers and those also looking to sell vegan products as well. So we have a team dedicated to product development, and they have actually developed a number of vegan products which have been very successfully launched. We also have our analytical testing laboratory who can support from a testing perspective for those who need to find a way to substantiate the vegan claims that they're making. So we can support in that way. And also, so my team here, so the Food Safety and Quality Consultancy team, we can provide on-site bespoke consultancy support to actually help you understand if there's any improvements or gaps in your manufacturing process that might need to be considered, or improvements that might need to be made if you're considering making a vegan product. So thank you for listening. I hope you found that useful. If you'd like any further information on how RSSL can support you, please do contact us.